Historical facts: The Stone Age, by Minnie Sirius. It's divided into three parts. The Stone Age is split into the Paleolithic, Old Stone Age, the Mesolithic, Middle, and the Neolithic, New. The Paleolithic lasted the longest, millions of years, while the Neolithic kicked off farming and settling villages. Tools weren't just stones. Early humans used bone, wood, and antlers too. The famous Otzi the Iceman from 3300 BCE carried a copper axe showing the blurry line between the Stone Age and that. The Stone Age is the longest period in human history, spanning about 3.4 million years ago from 3.3 million years ago until approximately 2500 BC. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and have a nice day. And also, if you can, please hit the like and subscribe. That will really help the channel out, and I would really appreciate you. Thank you.